If you heard about Diabetes Free by Dr. Pearson, and you try to understand if this guide is really the ideal choice for you, then you are welcome to check our review of the day. The goal of the Diabetes Free is to enhance people's lives by discovering treatments that are vital for all forms of diabetes. This system identifies the underlying reasons for the illness, and Dr. Pearson asserts that diabetes symptoms can be turned and even treated within 14 days. The physician supplies significant techniques and strategies of treatment, including wonder milkshakes, and individuals can practice an alternative to insulin injections and other typical diabetes treatments. Moreover, this comprehensive ebook can provide useful tips on the best way to break free from addiction problems associated with diabetes drugs. Dr. Pearson promises you will have the ability to eat regular foods and desserts. Product details. The Diabetes Free is a holistic health ebook which can help diabetes patients treat or in turn diabetes using alternate methods of treatment. You may at no time need to make use of medical equipment including needles, insulin and prescription drugs. Within the ebook, Dr. Pearson shares useful advice regarding the role that food plays in diabetes, and how appropriate dieting is crucial to controlling the disorder. For instance, specific foods like vegetables, meats, dairy, fats, fruits and sweets are assessed predicated on their influence and impact on diabetes patients. While diabetes patients are anticipated to avoid foods that are particular, the system also presents a comprehensive food pyramid which provides a visual guide to recommended foods in various food groups. Dr. Pearson's ebook summarizes special diet strategies that are vital to controlling diabetes, and patients can find many different recipes for foods that help in treating the disorder. You are going to learn the Wonder Milkshake is an important tool for healing, and reading food labels is essential for avoiding dangerous ingredients. The system also provides in-depth advice regarding food portion sizes and appropriate quantities to eat, because keeping a healthy weight and diet is essential to preventing and treating diabetes. Another significant aspect the book shows is that sugary desserts may be normally and safely consumed by diabetics, provided that they follow a diet strategy that is consistent. In addition, it instructs you that respiration plays an important part in treatment, and keeping healthy feet is crucial to healing. Individuals experiencing diabetes should take considerable care to maintain their feet healthy, because increased rates of glucose can reduce circulation and the flow of blood to the feet, causing nerve damage that is major. As an immediate consequence, the feet may need to be amputated, which is why Dr. David Pearson makes a tremendous attempt to educate his readers on how to keep proper foot health. Advantages. There are lots of note for the advantages this ebook offers to diabetics. First of all, it offers data that's easy to comprehend for anyone with the disorder and straightforward, holistic approaches. Everyone can relate to food, and the Diabetes Free identifies salads, eggs and salmon as easy, common foods which can offer a diabetic with a large number of advantages. The Diabetes Free additionally supplies useful advice regarding sizes and appropriate food portions. That is the key for keeping healthy weight and a routine diet. By following dieting suggestions and simple meal plans, diabetics can control their calorie consumption while removing the unneeded fat that encourages weight gain. The reader is going to find out the best way to correctly read food labels and the best way to find ingredients that are dangerous, and they are able to make an educated choice about what foods are healthful to eat. The knowledge supplied is critical for a diabetic who's making a visit to the supermarket, restaurant, party or eating by using their family. Ultimately, Dr. Pearson is a skilled professional with many years of expertise in working with diabetes patients, and he's lots of insight to offer. Disadvantages. Sadly, the same as every application or system, the techniques presented in the Diabetes Free aren't perfect or guaranteed to work. While dieting is addressed by the ebook as a primary tool for fighting the disease, it dismisses the variables of exercise and positive advantages of medication including insulin. This system also will not permit room for deviation, as well as the procedures supplied to be able to control the disorder may need to be followed for a length period of time, perhaps a diabetic's whole lifespan. A high degree of dedication and discipline is suggested for the Diabetes Free to work, to be able to find healing, and patients have to be prepared to give an old, more comfortable lifestyle. Conclusion: as Dr. Pearson addresses in the Diabetes-Free, diabetes is a leading public health problem that too many individuals have to face. If individuals just become more conscious of health and dieting, this can potentially be avoided, while the variety of diabetics is anticipated to increase within the next couple of years. The physician has a history of fighting with diabetes under his belt, and with his help you'll be able to find some significant progress in your general health as well as diabetes symptoms. This system is an excellent instrument which you can increase your set of diabetes treatments, which is very optimistic that in the event that you follow the ebook you can actually find progress in as tiny as 14 days. Additionally, it is quite possible you could get rid of the demand for insulin by following the Easy Wonder milkshake recipes supplied through this system. Maybe diabetes may also be removed through appropriate nourishment supplied by the Diabetes-Free and the committed systems of dieting. Well, that's our review about this system. So if you want your hands on it, go and grab the product copy from the link in the description.